Good morning, guys. I am out here today, out on the outskirts of Clark, in where the Aeta live.
Lahar.
What's it? Pablito.
Pablito Sibal.
You guys remember Pablito from my other video up by McDonald's up there? He had told me, come by sometime and get him, and he'd show me his area that he lives. What is this area again?
Lahar Village.
Lahar Village. Lahar Village. And this is your home, right?
Yeah.
Or is this your family?
It's my family. Baby.
This is your family. And this gentleman here, he told me he recognized me from the
my
hospital.
Kid, my boy.
My name is
That's your son?
Tyson.
Yeah, son, my son.
Your son. What's your name?
Tyson.
Tyson. Tyson Fury?
Yeah, Tyson.
And what's your name?
Sosa.
Sosa. Nice. And these your children? All these your children? 4 children.
Yes.
Okay, 4 children.
4 children.
And they're
Only one boy.
only one boy.
3 baby.
3 girls.
3 girls and 1 boy. But yeah, we're gonna walk around here and just kind of show you this little village here. Right outside Clark, out the back gate as you go outside by the speedway out that way. This is the village out here. All right, so here's a story I have been told. A lot of these people were relocated during Pinatubo. They relocated a lot of the Aeta up to Mount Araya. And then some of them, they gave land here also, right? Look,
Rights.
they gave them the rights to some of this land here. However, it's become overpopulated. So some of them just kind of moved down in this area here and just kind of took this area over. But they do have electric running here. I do see electric wires. Do they have plumbing, like water? Or do they
Meron
use the
kayong
well?
tubig dito, kuya.
Mayroong galing sa
Oh,
yeah,
so they have a
plumbing
pump.
Yeah, a pump.
They have a pump. So they do have electric, but running water inside the homes, they do
Oh,
not
they
have.
also have a meter.
Oh,
Like
they have a meter? Oh.
Yeah, like it's, you know how the government.
Is that
have
the
a
toilet
meter.
over there?
Yeah,
That's the
bath.
toilet? Joking. But you can tell it's real peaceful back here. And hollow brick houses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's more cheaper, actually, than
Is that another part of the housing up in there too? There's more housing up in there, yeah.
Yan po humahabol ng mga barangay.
ito po. Ako sa Malabanyas ako, pero di ko alam sino
That's a
tumatakbo.
wooden house.
Dati po madam sa Malabanyas, doon po yung mga angkan namin.
Doon sa Malabanyas.
Yung mga lola namin
Doon kami dati
sa Malabanyas.
This is cassava. You know,
Cassava.
cassava is everywhere. Yeah, this one here.
This vine?
Yeah,
Cassava.
Yeah, that's cassava.
All right.
That's cassava house Miguel has in Sherman.
Oh yeah, okay.
Kamuting kahoy.
Yeah, they call it kamuting kahoy. It's just like you pull it out.
Out of the ground.
Yeah, out of the
so
ground.
the meat of what you're going to eat is in
It's
the ground.
underground,
It's
yes.
underground.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So that's how you
And they do have sari stores in here for the local community. You guys got a bunch of eggs.
yung mga
Magtatraffic po ako doon. Ay, nakitan ko.
meron ako dati sa meron doon ba sa
Is that the church?
Yeah.
That's the church. Okay. Assembly of God Church back in here.
Adonai.
Adonai
Ang
Christian
church niya to.
Ecclesia. Assembly of God.
God.
Yeah. Another little sari store here. Hello.
Hello, hi.
Puppies. And of course roosters and chickens running around. Can't get away from the roosters and the chickens.
Oh, that's Miguel's chicken. Maybe
Yeah. Hello. So nobody really owns this land.
No.
Nobody really owns the land. They just kind of came in here and rights
That's
property.
owned by the government.
Owned by the
And
government.
The government gave them the rights. Technically, when you buy a land and it's only rights, it's better for you not to buy.
Right.
Because it's still owned by the government.
Still owned by the government, but you just have the rights
Yeah.
to put a house on it. Yeah. Makes sense, I guess. Here you go, guys. Apartment for rent. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 apartments in there. Hello. Looks like there's a couple apartments in there. Magkano apartment?
You don't know.
You don't know?
Ask them though.
Probably
Cheap.
pretty reasonable. I would say pretty reasonably priced. Kind of looks like some of the homes are abandoned. What's this? Jesus, the Rock of
Global Minister.
Rock of Ages, Global Ministries. All right. You can see it's just sand, pathways, roadways. Probably a big muddy, sloppy mess, huh? When it
I
rains.
think that's apartment too.
He was just telling me that a lot of the, I guess men, right? It could be men
Yeah,
or
women.
women, it don't matter. Have jobs on Clark as security guards because it's so close. So they just
Right.
go right on the Clark, and they got jobs on Clark. They probably, I would imagine they have preferential treatment, right? They'll get jobs before other people because, you know, they're right here. And I mentioned in my previous video that he worked on Clark when the air base was here. He was a maintenance person. Maintenance, right? You did maintenance on Clark, Kuya. Kuya, you worked maintenance on Clark, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. He worked maintenance on Clark when the air base was
rin
here.
ako sa work to golf. Mimosa.
He used to
Mimosa
work
Clark.
also down in Mimosa.
Oh, okay.
19 years.
19 years. All right.
Yeah.
All right. All right, here's a vacant lot.
Yeah, whoever wants to know.
Do you want to come down here and build?
Build.
Just joking. Joking.
Marcos Village, madam.
Ambo.
School Marcos Village.
This one is Marcos
Up top
Village.
is Marcos
Top.
Village.
Ah,
Okay.
But Marcos Village po.
But this
Kaya
is
naging Marcos Village, 1969. Naging presidente si yung mga presidente.
Helicopter.
Oo.
Naitan over ko yan.
This is why the back, why they called it Marcos Village,
1969.
because in 1969 he used to be Marcos.
Ferdinand Marcos.
Ferdinand Marcos is the president, and this is the only land it's actually turned over to the people.
Marcos
Oh.
Village.
so when Marcos was
Name,
president,
Marcos Village.
he
Name
turned
it.
this over to the people,
Yeah.
and then it was named Marcos
Marcos
Village.
Village.
What year was that?
69.
1969. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Nag-aaral ako ng grade 1.
All right.
Go school grade 1.
Oh.
You were grade 1. Yeah. Learn a lot. You know, you get out here and you learn a lot when you talk to the people and
Noong 1997
find
to,
out,
madam,
you know, the history of this area out here. All right, so the meaning of Lahar Village, which is what we're in, he was telling me means where the lava come through. Right, Kuya? Lahar, where
Yeah.
the lava comes through.
comes.
So in other words, when Pinatubo erupted, this is where the lava comes through.
Lava
So therefore,
Yes.
they named it a
91.
Lahar Village in 1991. Interesting, I'm learning a lot. Get outside the city and you learn a lot. Boy, does it go back too. We've been walking now for a little while back in here, and the roads branch off left and right. Hello.
Hello.
And it's its own little community. Like I said, they do have electric. I do see electric run back in here. He was telling me some of the homes do have water, or
Yeah,
no?
there's some meters.
Some do. He said they do have meters. So I guess if you have a metered water at home, then you got water in your home. You can see construction's going on. They're still building back in here.
Ang imbak dito madam sa taas, pati yung dyan sa Clark, makapal ng buhangin.
Oh, they
Ang mga
said.
bubong ng bahay.
Okay. When the volcano exploded before, they said the impact of the houses over here.
Right.
It's like a thick sand.
Thick sand.
Yeah, to their what's that called? Oh,
The roof.
roof.
All right. But this wasn't here until after
Andito na ba
Pinatubo,
to,
right?
kuya, ng-
Wala pa ito.
Yeah.
Oh, no,
No, this wasn't here till after
This is the
Pinatubo.
other side.
Right. The other village was.
Yeah.
All right, this is we stopped here now at his brother-in-law's place here. And I'll show you his brother-in-law's place. That's his brother-in-law right there. He's the older one. But you can see, like in the province, we're cooking vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can
They cook with charcoal. Now in Lutz province they use fire, but here they use charcoal. No fire,
No fire.
only charcoal. And how many homes you have here?
I got my family here.
How many's in your family?
I got 6 kids
6 kids.
and their daughter, son. They married also.
How many grandchildren?
Me?
Yes.
I think about how
30
many?
plus.
30 plus grandchildren. Wow, are you one of the grandchild children? You are? What's your name?
Irami.
Anime. Anime? Ira May. Nice to meet you. Are you one of the grandchildren?
Yes.
Samantha. Wow, we have a Samantha. Are you one of the grandchildren? Yes, what's your name? Angelica. Wow, very nice. Is this the kitchen?
Yeah.
That's the kitchen? Okay. That's your house in there, huh? Okay. Very nice. Thank you, Kuya. Thanks for showing me around. Are you a grandchild? Grandchild? All right. Is this one of your other sleeping areas? Or does that go around? This is the one sleeping area. Oh, the CR. Is CR? Or a small room? Bedroom. Okay. All right. It'll work, huh? All right. Thank you, Kuya. Water dispenser. This is these blue hoses are the water lines that come through and then break off into some of the homes, right? Yeah, you can see it. But they do have a pump too, right? They have like a water pump. Wow, they're really nice here.
That's so cool. Wow, that one there too is cool.
Yeah. Hello. Some are wooden and cinder block, and some are cinder block. Here it comes. Ice for sale. Everything. You find everything here. What?
Oh,
Dito yung dati kong bahay noon nung
saan po?
I think I got a crowd now. I think I got a
Daan.
crowd following me. There's my crowd. My crowd's following me. Kids go to school?
Yeah.
Where's the school?
There.
It's in here in the village?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's in the Marcos Street.
Okay.
That's the one they said it's turned over. The pilot like turned over to the people.
Oh, okay. All right, so here's the meter.
Yeah.
Here's the meter. So each one of these break off and go to a home, and there's the meters that they come in and read for water consumption.
Marami po dyan.
Yeah, that's a lot of meters. And it's
Yeah.
like a Christmas tree.
What goes where, who goes what, who knows, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Interesting. There's another one up here. What about, you got electric meters too, right, Kuya?
Yeah.
Electric meters. There's another water meter. How you know how it's marked?
No, it's
24, 2,
20.
so it's all marked.
Yeah.
All right, guys, you know it would not be a village without this. Every village around the Philippines has this, right? A basketball court, enclosed basketball court, so nobody gets rained on. It's a gathering place for everybody to come and just hang out and enjoy themselves. Are you guys basketball players? Yes, sir. Basketball player? Who's the GOAT? Who's the GOAT? Who's the greatest of all time basketball player? Michael Jordan?
The greatest basketball player.
Michael Jordan? He's the best. He's like Michael Jordan, LeBron James, and Steph Curry all in one, right? What's your name, my man? What's your name? Oh, shy now. Nosebleed. All right, now we've wandered up into Marcos Village. The village next to his. Seems to be more populated, more, I guess you could say, modern. But there it is, Marcos Village. Multi-purpose building right here. Like I said, this seems to be more modern than his village because it's been here longer. So it's has developed over the years. This was what year?
Anong year to, kuya?
Oh yeah, 1969. Marcos Village, 1969? Yes, 1969. All right, I'm learning more as I'm going. 1969, hey, 1969 All right, welcome to my vlog. 1969 was when this village was started. All right, Marcos Village here. 91, when Pinatubo exploded, they relocated a lot of these people here up to Araya. However, some did stay, and then they rebuilt this whole area. So, like he was saying, majority of them were relocated from Marcos Village here to Araya. So,
Oh, Magalang.
or I'm sorry, Magalang. Magalang, my bad. Magalang, they were, well, yeah, that's heading towards Araya. So they were relocated to Magalang. And I was even told some were even relocated even up to Mount Araya. So God created family to be environment of the greatest happiness and goodness. This scene is here, handprints all over here. Pretty cool, huh? Aeta Market, farm fresh, agri and souvenir market. Straight ahead. Hey, what's up, kids? You all right? Okay? Everything all right? Yeah? Are you Aeta? Aeta? Aeta?
Yeah.
All right. Kind of gives you a big difference between his village and this village here. You got salons here. The houses are more finished. The roads are concrete. There's more driving, more action up here with the cars and the motorbikes. And there's even a barber. So yeah, this is definitely a more developed village than the previous village we were in. Even the best chicken for everyone here. They got a 5-star chicken place right here. Day and night, right? Day and night. Marcos Village. Right there, Marcos Village Child Development Center.
This is school.
School. Oh, that's the school. The Marcos Village?
Yeah. Guys,
Oh, back in there. Marcos Village Elementary School. Straight back there. That's the school back in there. Oop-guy stores here. What else do we got here? Oop-guy. Looks like a little sorry store.
Yeah.
Yes. And then you have a little vegetable store here, right?
Sorry.
It's like this your sorry store?
Yeah.
How long has your sorry store been here?
It's long. 4 years ago.
4 years ago. Are you from this area?
Yeah.
So you were here in 91
Yeah.
with Pinatubo?
1981.
1981.
Yeah.
You were here. Did you stay here during Pinatubo or did you go to Magalang?
Magalang.
Did you stay here
Yeah.
the whole time? Even after Pinatubo? Okay.
Pinatubo.
Oh, yeah, you stayed.
Yeah.
Are you Aeta?
Which one?
She's Aeta, yes.
I'm a Bisaya.
Bisaya. Okay, all right. Thank you.
You black?
Uh-oh.
Okay.
So this green wall here, this separates this barangay. On the other side of the wall is the main road that you would turn down coming out of the back gate, down past the racetrack, all the way to the back gate, and then you would see this this village here, Marcos Village. But it's on the other side of this green wall. And I'm learning that not everybody here is from this area or Aeta. It's a mix. 50-50 is what Puya told me. He said he would take me, someday he said he'd take me up to another Aeta village. He said it's all Aeta. So I'll definitely hook up with him and do that sometime. Alright guys, if you do visit up here, you will get a crew of kids following you. It's just going to happen, alright? Make sure to bring some coins, some pesos, to get these kids some drinks and some snacks, right? Snacks and drinks, that's what you guys are here for, right? Yeah. Alright, here's the back gate of Clark. Right there is the speedway. You come up here to the back gate right here, turn left or right in front of you is Marcos Village right here. This will bring you into Marcos Village. like I said, to me this is neat. This is a different way of living that most people don't get to see. But here it is, Marco's Village. All right, what is this again, Let?
This one here is a herbal medicine. It's on a wild tree, wild leaves.
Wild leaves.
Yeah, this is a good. This is good for like if you have a cold.
Right.
Cold cup. Cold cup.
Cold.
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 So I'm gonna pick this one because Hannah is not feeling good.
And what do? Rub it?
Kuya said you're gonna do like squeeze it
Tapos
and
ibalot mo
then
sa ano, ikwintas.
put in like a kind of clean clothes or
Right.
a towel and then put that like a necklace.
Just put it on your, around your neck.
Yeah.
And it's gonna help with your cold.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. But you know what? If you guys ever want to come up here, you got to go on the Clark. Go on the Clark at the McDonald's. Pablito here,
Yes.
he's always there parking cars and everything. Talk to him. All right. The old McDonald, the one that's run down, abandoned, he parks cars there. So if you guys want to come up here and explore this area, get with him. He'll bring you up here. He'll walk you through. It is a neat experience to see this
Doon naman sa taas wala na
you know,
parking
this
sa
Aeta
sasakyan.
Village, and you know how the people live outside the city. But yeah, this is what I like to do. I like exploring like this. You know, I've been living here forever. I've drove by this place a few times, but never stopped, never had the connection. So go and see Pablito. He will bring you up here, and I guarantee you won't. It's an experience you'll definitely enjoy to see the people. They're all friendly. His family is very friendly. He'll take you around and show it to you. So, all right, we'll talk to you later.